Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change app language on Reddit. Maybe you want to access the platform in a language that you are more comfortable with, making it easier to navigate and understand the content. So today I'm going to show you how to change app language on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this Settings page, since you wanted to change the app language, simply tap on this language option. A window will appear where you will see a list of available languages. Simply select the language that you want to use on the application. For example, I want to use Espanol, so I will tap on it. After that, the app will switch to your selected language immediately, indicating that you now have successfully changed the app language on Reddit. Now, you can enjoy browsing the application in your preferred language. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change app language on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change app language on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.